life, spending all his time playing video games and consuming exorbitant amounts of food. Until one day his doctors warned him that if he didn't make a change in his life, he wouldn't live much longer. This was a reality check for Kesey, which led him to start changing his eating habits and exercising more.
Okay na, Brad. Pata na, test tayo ngayon. Menu. Menu. Okay. Okay natin ulit. Start print natin. Kung may error pa. DCPT 700W. Yan, nagpalit tayo ito. Basag kasi yan. Basag yung gear. So printing na siya. Wala nang error. Yun. So nag-print out na. Ito pang isa. Okay na guys, di ba? Pwede na. Exit. Working na. Palit gear, encoder disc, tsaka encoder gear yan. So, ang problem niya ay mag-print, nag-error siya, nag-error 50, tsaka minsan nag-paper jam. So ang cost niyan ito lang, basag yung gear niya sa loob. Ayan. So natatagpuan yan sa loob dito. Iyan siya. Iyan yun. So hindi kita. Kuha tayong flashlight. Iyan yun. Iyan yung mismong gear. Iyan. Iyan yan. Siya mismo.